Hello students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Google Classroom. This is Professor Fuzail Ahmed, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, Islamia College, Waniabad. So today we are going to discuss about the past CA examinations. So we'll do a small review of the questions and the relevant answers. So the test pattern was like this: answer all questions. 5 questions are asked, and you were able to answer all 5 questions. And each question consists of 15 marks, and you were given 2 hours. So within these 2 hours, you were supposed to answer 5 questions, and the answer script must be like capable of giving 15 marks. So the questions were: number one, so define operation research, mention the various scope and applications of operation research. 2. What is LPP? That is a linear programming problem. Write the various methods of solving LPP. 3. Define assignment problem. Write the various steps in finding optimal solution. 4. What is a transportation problem? List the various steps in finding initial basic feasible solution. And last question, number 5, define A. Game theory, B. Value of game, C. Pure strategy, D. Optimum strategy, and E. Saddle point. So in this session today we are going to discuss about question number 1 and its answers. So question number 1, define operation research and mention its scope and applications. So this question consists of 2 parts. The first one is definition of operation research, and the second one is the scope and application of operation research. So now coming to the part 1, definition of operation research. So there are numerous definitions of operations available online and offline. So you can even use this definition. So here operation research, you can call it even as operational research as in British English, or abbreviation OR. So operation research is a discipline that deals with the application of advanced analytical methods to help make better decisions. So in business we come across a situation where we have to take decisions, and the decision must be correct and better. So once we take a correct decision, this will lead to higher profit and zero or lower costs. So operation research helps to deal with taking better decisions by applying advanced analytical methods. The next one is, it is often considered to be a subfield of applied mathematics. So whereas mathematics is a broad field, and operation research is a sub or part of mathematics. And operation research arrives at optimal or near optimal solution to complex decision making problems. So through operation research, we come across the best or the most optimistic or optimal solution where we can reduce the cost as much as possible and increase the profit as much as possible. Okay, so this part here we have discussed about the definition of operation research. So moving on to the second part, scope and application of operation research. So what are the areas in which this operation research discipline is applicable? In its recent years of organized development, operation research has solved successfully many cases of research for military, government, and industry. So the basic problem in most of the developing countries in Asia and Africa is to remove poverty and hunger as quickly as possible. So there is a great scope for economists, statisticians, administrators, politicians, technicians working in a team to solve this problem by an operation research approach. So this operation research discipline is useful for economists, statisticians, administrators, managers, politicians, and technicians working in a team. Now we will discuss about what are the different areas of applications. So number one, finance, budgeting and investment. So operation research is applied in cash flow analysis, long range capital requirement, investment portfolios and dividend policies. Also it is applicable in claim procedure and credit policies. So moving on, operations is applied in marketing, areas like product selection, competitive actions, and even to calculate number of salesmen, frequencies of calling on, and advertising strategies with respect to cost and time. And what is applied in purchasing, like buying policies, varying prices, determination of quantities and the timing of purchases, bidding policies, replacement policies, and exploitation of new material resources. And it is applied in production management like physical distribution, location and size of warehouse, distribution centers, retail outlets, distribution policies, and also in facilities planning, the number and location of factories, warehouses, etc., loading and unloading facilities, and in manufacturing, production scheduling and sequencing, stabilization of production, employment, layoffs, and optimum product mix, and maintenance policies, crew size, and project scheduling and allocation of resources. So, operation research is applied in human resource or personnel management to calculate the mix of age and skills, recruiting policies, and job assignments. So, finally, operation research is applied in research and development in the areas of concentration for research and development, reliability and alternate decisions, determination of time, cost, trade off, and control of development projects. So, to determine the time as well as the investment of time and money and control of development projects, etc. So, operation research is a vast area and it is really helpful for personal as well as for institutional activities. But the aim, the final purpose of using operation research is to take the right decision in order to increase the profit and reduce the cost. So with this, this is the answer of first question, definition of operation research as well as the various scope and application of operation research. So in the next class, we'll come up with the second question. So what is LPP? Write the various methods of LPP. So till then, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.